but you have to start to be great. A very good morning to one and all. I'm Shivani and I belong to the beautiful city, Pathankot. I'm pursuing my bachelor's in electrical engineering and I've done my schooling from St. Joseph Senior Secondary School, Jalandhar. My ethic is that I never neglect any opportunity to improve myself, as I believe that every mistake I make is a teacher who will teach me the best lessons of my life. I'm a die-hard Bhangra lover. I've won many inter-school Bhangra competitions. Moreover, I'm a district level badminton player. I would like to share one of the sayings that I follow in my life. A soul without an aim is like a ship without a rudder, and my aim is to become an electrical engineer. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Amolpreet Singh from Jalandhar. I did my schooling from Innocent Heart School. Currently, I am pursuing my bachelor's in computer science. Music has been part of my life. Either it can be in dancing or singing. I like playing badminton, football and table tennis. I also played badminton in district level. My strength is I do things with my imagination. I want to get placed in a good MNC after my graduation. At last, I want to add some beautiful lines. हर जलते दीपक तले अंधेरा होता है, हर रात के पीछे एक सवेरा होता है. लोग डर जाते हैं मुसीबतों को देखकर, लोग डर जाते हैं मुसीबतों को देखकर, लेकिन दोस्तों हर मुसीबत के पीछे सच का एक सवेरा होता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
कोई कहता है हिंदू खतरे में है, कोई कहता है मुसलमान खतरे में है. धर्म का चश्मा उतार कर देखो यारो, पता चलेगा अपना हिंदुस्तान खतरे में है, अपना हिंदुस्तान खतरे में है. Good morning everyone, I am Neha. I belong to Jalandhar. I completed my matriculation from Kendriya Vidyalaya Suransi and senior secondary education from Saint Soldier Divine Public School. Currently I am pursuing my bachelor's in information technology. I am fond of listening patriotic songs and doing art and craft. Dress designing is my leisure time pursuit. I have won first prizes in Rangoli, card making, collage making in Adhar with 2K16. I have also represented my school in inter-school art and craft competition. For last 4 consecutive years, I was declared best artist of the school. My biggest strength is I can try to accomplish any task given to me because of the belief excellence can be achieved if you try to compete with yourself. No matter what the work is, at the end of the day, it's you versus you. Thank you.
मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को अगर मर्तबा चाहिए, मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को अगर मर्तबा चाहिए, कि दाना खाक में मिलकर गुलो गुलजार होता है. तू शाही है बसेरा है काम तेरा, काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी हैं. तू शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चोटियों पर, तू शाही है, तू शाही है, तू शाही है. तस्कीन न मिले जिसे राज बदल डालो, जो राज न रख पाए हम राज बदल डालो। ए दोस्त करो हिम्मत, कुछ दूर सवेरा है, अगर चाहते हो मंजिल परवाज बदल डालो। मेरा नाम मोहम्मद आकिब मीर है। मैं उस जगह का रहने वाला हूँ जिसे दुनिया का जन्नत कहा जाता है, जन्नत कश्मीर। और कश्मीर में ज़िला गांधरबल में रहता हूँ। मेरी ज़िंदगी की इब्तदाई तालीम घर पर हुई और उसके बाद मैंने 10वीं और 12वीं जमात ग्रीन मॉडल हाई सेकेंडरी स्कूल से की। 12वीं के बाद मैंने BSc डिग्री गवर्नमेंट डिग्री कॉलेज भद्रवा से की और उसके बाद B.Ed मैंने सर सैयद मेमोरियल कॉलेज श्रीनगर से किया। अब मैंने MBA का दाखिला इसी इदारे में किया। मेरी ज़िंदगी की खास बात है, मैं जिस काम को करता हूँ बड़ी मेहनत और लगन से करता हूँ। और मेरी ज़िंदगी का मशगला नंबर पढ़ना, अल्लाह को याद करना, और मेरी ज़िंदगी की ताकत मेरे माँ बाप और उनकी दुआएं हैं। शुक्रिया।
Small minds cannot comprehend great spirits. To be great, to be awesome, one must be willing to be laughed at, to be mocked at, to be misunderstood. Criticism, that's fine. People never throw stones on a fruitless tree. Hello everyone, I am Urvashi Thakur and I am pursuing my B.Tech Electronics and Communication. I am an ex-Joseph White and did my +2 from MGN Public School. I am a graduate in Kathak and has been awarded as city, state as well as national level winner in classical dance for consecutively many years. I was the cultural head of my school and I love singing. My goal in life is to become a better person with each passing day because I think, just like a diamond, the more I'm cut, sliced and hurt, the more I'll shine. In the end, I would like to say that I am a swashbuckler. After all, it's a pirate life for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you for the mic, sir. Success. Success is not the property of brilliance. It's the crown for those who work smartly and never give up. Hello everyone, I am Pulkit Sharma from the city of Palaces, Kapurthala. I am pursuing my bachelor's in electronics and communication for leisure, RI songs. I have completed my matriculation from Christ the King Convent School and 12th from Anand Public Senior Secondary School. In the end, I would like to conclude with a quote said by Mark Ruffalo: I live my life to its full absolute because when I die, I want to look back and say, that was the life and I did what I wanted to do. Thank you.
जिंदगी से कभी निराश नहीं होते, जिंदगी से कभी निराश नहीं होते, असफलताओं से कभी उदास नहीं होते। हाथों की लकीरों पे यकीन मत करना, हाथों की लकीरों पे यकीन मत करना, क्योंकि दोस्तों तकदीर उनकी भी होती है जिनके हाथ नहीं होते, जिनके हाथ नहीं होते। नमस्कार, मैं वर्षा इंटर कॉलेज से। अब मैंने डेविड में बीटेक के लिए दाखिला लिया है। मुझे कविता और लघु कथा लिखना पसंद है। मुझे खाली समय में राष्ट्र और माँ के बारे में लिखना बेहद पसंद करती हूँ। मेरा लक्ष्य है कि मैं खुद को राजनीति से जोड़ूं और उसे राष्ट्र और कल्याण नीति में बदलूं और माँ की महत्ता को विश्व स्तर पे उनका सही स्थान दिलाना। धन्यवाद।
I request all of you to please maintain silence and praise the participants. Please, no selfies.
Thank you, sir. Swami Vivekananda said, "We are what our thoughts are made of. So take care about what you think. Words are temporary. Thoughts live. They travel far." Good morning, everyone. I am Prabjot Singh. I am basically from Delhi, but since last 5 years I am here in Jalandhar. I have done my schooling from APJ school, now pursuing bachelor's in electronics and communication. Work hard, play hard is my main motto that defines my achievements, which are I have played cricket and handball at district level and currently a part of college handball team. My hobbies are to play cricket, snooker and listening to music, especially Punjabi music. My aim is to see myself as an established entrepreneur in upcoming years. Thank you.
B5 and B5 through.
शुभ कर्मन ते कबहू ना डरो अर सो जग जाए डरो निश्चय करे अपनी जीत करो. Good morning everyone. I am Jeevan Kaur. I have completed my schooling from Central Public School Phagwara and currently I am pursuing my bachelor's in information technology. My hand is good at art and calligraphy, and when it comes to painting, I can do wonders on canvas. I am a nature lover. So keeping aside the synthetic word, I love to capture the beautiful moment of nature. At Adhav 2K16, I participated in theatre and painting and bagged second prize in poster making competition. I have an adventurous bent of mind, so I love river rafting and paragliding. I served as the president of my school's social welfare society. My goal in life is to become an interior designer. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. मुश्किल इस दुनिया में कुछ भी नहीं, पर फिर भी लोग अपने इरादे तोड़ देते हैं. अगर सच्चे दिल से हो चाहत कुछ पाने की, तो सितारे भी अपनी जगह छोड़ देते हैं. Good morning everyone. I am Dhruv Anand and I am from Patiala. I have done my schooling till 10th from Our Lady of Fatima Convent Secondary School, and I have done my senior secondary schooling from DAV Public School Patiala. Now I am pursuing my bachelor's in civil engineering branch. In my life, I have been exploring talent in myself and hence developing all-rounder skills. Talking about my hobbies, I love to do dance, love to do art, and even I'm a sports person. In my school, I have been an office bearer and served in the capacity of school literary in charge. In paintings, I have bagged many prizes. At Talent Hunt Adhav 2K16, I was a winner of the poster making competition. In the sports field, me and my team of Dege striked gold medal in table tennis at PTU Inter-College Tournament. At last, I would like to speak some beautiful lines in which I believe परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं। परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं। वो लोग रहते हैं खामोश अक्सर जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं। थैंक यू।
Anmol.
Thank you, sir. Good, better, best. Never let it rest. Tell your good is better and better is best. A very good morning to one and all present here. I'm Niharika Bhanot. I did my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya Suranasi Jalandhar. I'm currently pursuing Bachelor's in Electronics and Communication Engineering. According to me, a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Talking about my leadership qualities, I was the head girl of my school. I believe to be creative means to be in love with life. That's why I love to paint and dance. I'm a trained dancer. I have represented my school at state level and won gold medal in dancing. My ambition in life is to be highly decorated Air Force officer because I want to continue my family legacy of working in armed forces, and it's my childhood dream too. As an air warrior, I will touch the sky with glory. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर। हर दर्द की एक पहचान होती है, खुशी कुछ लम्हों की मेहमान होती है। रुख वही बदलते हैं हवाओं का मेरे दोस्त, जिनके इरादों में जान होती है। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, आई एम अनमोल भूटानी एंड आई एम अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। I have completed my senior secondary from Army Public School. I have got A and B certificate in NCC and served my school in the capacity of activity captain. I love to dance. I love to capture the moments through my lens. At a third 2K16, I participated in 4 events and bagged second prize in solo dancing. I believe in a successful man is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks others have thrown at him. Thank you.
We cannot find happiness. We have to create one. And that is what actually I believe in my whole life. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Riddhi Khanna, a typical extrovert by heart. I'm the first commerce graduate in the family of engineers, and I've done my graduation from DAV College, Jalandhar. Currently, I'm pursuing MBA, mainly because I want to have a sound personality and to be a successful working woman. The thing that fastens my heartbeat is adventure. I've done river rafting, paragliding, skywalk, and the list goes on. I'm immensely fascinated by art and craft. It wings me away from the world of anxiety and stress. and so I have achieved many awards for that. I'm developing interest in theatre. Recently at Challenge Hunt, I won first position in theatre group event. In the end, the main goal of my life is whatever work I do, I'll take my ethical values along with me forever and ever. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. There is only one corner of the universe that you can be certain of improving in, and that is your own self. Good morning, everyone. I'm Pranshu Puri from the heart of the country, Delhi. I'm pursuing my master's in computer applications. I did my bachelor's in business administration from the Indraprastha University, Delhi. I was a part of the literary society of my school, which helped me transform my oratory and leadership skills and provided me with an opportunity to be a part of the placement cell of my college. We organized the placement drive for Tommy Hilfiger, with me being the team lead. I also took active participation in organizing the cultural events at my college and was the event head of the Swachh Bharat campaign. My leisure time activities comprise of playing golf, reading novels, listening to music, and cooking. Towards the end, I would like to summarize my life by quoting Swami Vivekananda. Take risks in your life. If you win, you lead. If you lose, you guide. Thank you and have a nice day.
Everybody glad at the rocks that I wear. I know where I'm going and I know where I'm from. You hear lots in the air. Yeah, we at the airport out. Deep hot from the block where everybody enforced out. With a new white tee, you fresh. Not only with us. Think the money, keep the music.
Kanupriya, and BA Subhendra.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, उन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है. Good morning to one and all. I am Tanupriya from BTech IT first year. I completed my 10th from St. Joseph's Convent School and my plus 2 from Innocent Hearts, Jalandhar. My hobbies include singing, dancing, and my strength is my friends, my group. As I believe, यारो दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है. My aim in life is to become an IPS officer. There are basically two reasons behind it. Number one, I love to be in power, and number two, I want to serve my country, serve my nation, and remove corruption. At last, I'll conclude by saying, यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Shubhendra Kaushik and I am from Abohar. I have done my schooling from DAV Public School Abohar and now I am pursuing my bachelor's in Information Technology from this prestigious institute. My hobbies are singing, acting and dancing. I also love to write, but only in rainy weather. Talking about my achievements, I am a state level chess player. And I have recently won second prize for stand-up comedy at Adhar 2K16. My strength is that I never stop trying, and my biggest strength is my mom. She always encouraged me by saying these lines कि असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. कहाँ गलती रह गई, देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक न सफल हो, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम. संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर ऐसे मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
sweet or sour.